Master guest list for Naomi's grand celebration in Jodhpur may have started pouring in, but Peter has managed to reign over Naomi's parade. The scheduled elephant polo match for the entertainment of Naomi's guests stand cancelled. A day after Peter raised objections to Naomi and Doranin's move to hold a polo game with elephants, the couple has buckled under pressure and given in to Peter's demand by calling off their polo match. Naomi Campbell has had her run-ins with Peter before, but in this case, the former supermodel has realized it's best to pick horses for courses. Entertainment Bureau, Times Now.